Everyone, I'm Roberto Coscia, a QA engineer, and today's video we're gonna discuss about the best AI tools that allow you with a prompt to create some presentation. If you are a company or a person that wish to create pitches, or if you want to create simply to have a representation of a brief or of a topic, or if you want to aid with your YouTube channel with presentation that you can show while you perform the video, then you might be interested in these tools. And today, my goal is to find those one that are free and they are most capable for free. I have to say that first of all, that many of the presentation or presentation tools are not free or they have a limited capabilities for free. This is something that for now and for the foreseeable time seems something that is gonna be there. But who knows? In a few years, maybe those tools will be all integrated with the ChatGPT integrated framework, agentic framework that they're gonna create. So for now, I want to give you good advice on which tool to use. As you can see here in the table, I use the Google Gemini Deep Research to provide me with those tools, but I'm gonna skim between those that have basically capabilities not limited with the least limitation possible. Let's say that they allow me concretely to make a presentation. I'll try at least. So first of all, we have a Adobe Express. We're gonna try those two one by one. So let's go to Adobe Express website. If you go to the website, you can see that there are different capabilities you can use with Adobe Express. One of them is to use a template. Let's translate this in English. Here it is. If you go to Adobe slash Express create slash presentation, you have a free presentation maker. You can click create now to start creating the presentation. Here you will find some template that you can use. You can also click change the theme of the presentation if you want a specific color. Click to template to choose between the one that are present. Let's say I'm gonna choose this one. Then click to start a new file, and we have a template. Then you see that you can click to the button generate template, and then here you can write a prompt. Generate a template about the future of AI in 2025. Let's see what come out. Click in generate. And here we have a few of the possibility to choose. What do you like most? Let me know in the comment. I'm gonna go with this. Seems like more futuristic. It seems that if you want to create add a new page, you need to go to add page. So you have basically it didn't generate all the presentation as I wished. So I'm gonna exclude this. I think this you can use if you want to create presentation, but it's not the purpose. We want to do something with AI. The second is Slides AI. The only thing is that you can create 12 presentations per year, which means that or you can create different accounts to get more of this. And anyway, you have limit of character. But yes, let's have a look. This is the website. You can click here to install. It's basically Google Workspace plugin to install. Okay, I tried to install the application and it asked me to log in and I got a 400 error. Satisfied about the result. And I'm gonna move to the next. Visme. Visme is the next. Is an AI PowerPoint generator. The website it allows you to click get started. Seems quite. I like it already because it's quite immediate to get to the point. Let's write create. Ask me to log in. I will not. Please. It forced me to log in. Then let's write create a presentation about the future of AI in 2025. I'm gonna copy because I'm gonna probably write the same one to the others. And okay, I clicked to generate the role of AI shaping future industry economies. Interesting. I can choose this. Generate my presentation. Okay, it asked me to choose template. It didn't generate what I wanted yet. Let's see. I choose this. I click on it and yeah, done. It's creating a presentation. And it was quite fast. I'm impressed. Visme. Visme is very good tool to create presentation. Actually, pretty beautiful. You can choose, obviously you have more choice with the premium version, but hey, is for free version one is quite beautiful. So Visme, 10 out of 10, I would say. The only cons is that you have 12 presentation free only. Next one is Mentimeter. So let's see how easy it is to get to the point. This is the website. Get started. It's free. Up. Let's sign up. Let's respond to a few questions. I'm a student. I'm not putting the correct information. I shouldn't be forced. So I will put whatever. What would you like to do first? Word the crowd, poll, quiz, survey. Start on my own. Use a template. Let's add this one. Use template. I want to generate with AI. And basically, it creates me the presentation, but then I have to personalize myself. No, it's not what I wanted. It didn't deliver. So far, Visme is the only one that convinced me. Then we have presentation.ai. Let's click try it for free. It asks to log in to sign up actually. And it doesn't work. I logged in, let's refresh, secure communicate with Google. Please try again. It doesn't work. What about you? Does it work to you? Let's try again another time. Let's give it another go. It doesn't work. Visme remain the king. Gamma. This tool I already used it. It's actually pretty good. In fact, it will be easier because I can click on the presentation I made about the future of basically this tool also not only allow you to to generate the presentation from scratch, but if you did the YouTube video, you can generate a presentation out of that video. And you can see that it also took the logo of Google. Images are quite good, pretty good presentation that you can amend. You have here all the tools to continue, or you can create a new with AI. You can see that you can you can generate with AI script and then generate a presentation with this, the popular, or if you have already the text already done, you can use this. And as you can see, I used this to generate the presentation from YouTube. Now I click generate to generate from scratch. Let's build a presentation about the future of AI in 2025. You can see that it's generating an outline with 8 cards in total. You can choose the theme. Let's choose this. Adjust the image style, background detail, AI images, and Flux is using for the image generation. Interesting. Click generate. Let's see what come out of this. It's generating the presentation on the fly. Well, wow, very beautiful. You have also a button here to present it, so you can do everything here. Wow. And it's free. I wonder what are the limits? You have 400 non-refreshing AI credits. Well, it's free with limited customization, but I will definitely spend money for this tool. Seems very, very beautiful one. 10 out of 10. Yes. I want to make a presentation and I don't have time. I would use this. It's beautiful. It's making also graph. Look at this. This is fantastic. Wow, look. This is fantastic tool. This is the best, basically. Gamma, even better than Visma. Then next there is Canva. I wouldn't present you because you can basically, it's more for creating presentation with a template that's provided for free for you. But then you have yourself to make it and to edit it. Next one I would check is Pitch, which is you can use for free up to 5 member. Let's have a look. Pop.AI, which is the basically Pop.AI. This is another very beautiful tool. It has the possibility for you to generate from scratch, from a prompt, the text. As you can see with this on the website, it's written that key feature is unlimited AI presentation template. So you can create unlimited. Basically, this will be the best if you want to use always this application for free. Multiple ways to design slides with AI, from idea doc to or PDF. Instant one-click AI slide creation, automated presentation outline generation for effortless structuring, seamless editing, exporting, and sharing of AI power presentation. So let's try this tool. Let's click try, and let's write a prompt. The future of AI in 2025. It also has the deep thinking, which is very interesting. Only thing that if I click like this is turned on. Probably would sound a bit confusing. You can choose if you use which model to use. You can use DeepSeek. You can use with the Pro version. You can use GPT-4o and O3 Mini, but there is DeepSeek, and the standard is the fastest model with the web search. Let's use DeepSeek and let's generate. You can also get the full access 7-day free trial. No, well, free 50p trial. They say interesting. It wrote the text in Chinese. Why? because DeepSeek is a Chinese model. Let's say write it in English. Generate. I guess that's why is the standard LLM is the best to use. Generating the presentation, but doesn't seem like complete. It's not a presentation. So how to transform this in presentation? Let's try it again. I think my bad. I didn't choose the template. As you can see, there are not many templates for free. Future of AI in 2025. Let's use the standard this time. Page is 15. Audience business. Slide from analyst report. Let's go with this. Free user can manage up to one project. I wish I could show you. I can't show you because you already did the one project. So you can't use it forever for free. Doesn't seem that to me. So it's definitely a good tool. I tried it in the previous project. It generated the presentation, but to be honest, I like the previous one more. So Gamma is the king and Visme, those two. And then also Pop.AI can be good idea to good alternative. In the end, we'll see Sliders Go. Sliders Go is basically Pop.AI. So thing is Gamma. So if you want to make presentation that they look very, very good and have 12 presentation for free done, use Gamma, which is the best. Otherwise, use Visma. And to my opinion, it sounds worth it to pay the subscription if you need to use this tool very often. As a final thing, I will use ChatGPT to see if can do that you can just do all of that already with the one subscription. I will use Canva for this. Create a PowerPoint presentation downloadable about the future of AI in 2025. And let's see, we'll use also the search. Let's see what come out. If we get, we can use ChatGPT to do that. And it was a fail. I think I will ask, give me the down file you create without other tools. Maybe it's the search the problem. It didn't work. What about Google Gemini? Create a presentation in PowerPoint about the future of AI. I should be able to download a PowerPoint. Let's see what come out with. Writing code. How to download? Run the Python code. It gave me an alternative. It gave me a way to create it with the programming. Give me the download without using Python. Create it yourself. How cool would that be to just create a PowerPoint and anything from just ChatGPT? I think that's the future. Give me the download now. No, it can't fulfill that. So, did I miss anything? Don't you think that Gamma is the best? I'm open to discussion. Do you know any other tool that I didn't mention? I wanted to basically summarize the three or more tools to generate PowerPoint with AI. I hope this was useful. And if you like this video, consider to press a like to this support algorithm to show this content to more people. Subscribe the channel. It is very good for me for making sure that next content can be viewed by you. And comment video engage. Let me know if you have any question or if you want me to show you anything in another video. About consider that I made a video about the best tools for eating diagrams. So look on the channel if you need to best tools to generate diagrams with AI. And see you in the next video.